The truth about crypto comebacks. Stop losing money. Everybody loves a comeback story. You hear Bitcoin's back, Ethereum surging, altcoins are waking up. But here's the truth. Most people don't make money during comebacks. They lose it because they chase hype instead of understanding cycles. In this video, we're breaking down why crypto comebacks fool investors, how to protect your profits, and the mindset you need to stop bleeding wealth while everyone else fear of missing out in. The comeback isn't a signal, it's a test. Every bull run looks obvious in hindsight, but real investors know when crypto comes back, it's testing your discipline. It's easy to buy when charts go up. It's hard to hold when volatility hits. Comebacks separate gamblers from strategists. Don't get caught chasing the same coin that broke you last time. Emotion is the real market manipulator. The biggest pump in crypto isn't from whales, it's from fear and greed. The market feeds on your emotions. When you see headlines saying Bitcoin to 100K, that's the bait. When fear dominates, that's the opportunity. The truth, if you feel pressure to buy, you're probably late. Strategy beats timing every time. You can't predict when Bitcoin peaks, but you can control your plan. Set levels, take profits, reinvest only what you can lose. Most people lose money not because of crypto, but because they never had a strategy to begin with. Don't trade emotions, trade systems. Wealth is built during boredom. The real money isn't made during a hype, it's made during silence. When everyone stops talking about crypto, that's when smart investors quietly accumulate. The comeback isn't when the prices rises, it's when patience returns. The mindset shift from trader to builder. Stop chasing pumps and start building positions. Treat your portfolio like real estate, something you manage, not something you gamble with. Crypto comebacks don't create wealth, consistency does. The truth about crypto comebacks is simple. The market rewards emotional control, not emotional reaction. You don't need to predict the next bull run. You just need to be disciplined enough to survive it. Stop losing money. Start building strategy. Because wealth doesn't come back, it compounds.